Now, his third question about YouTube, drama, movies, etc. These things are like a knife. When you purchase a knife, you can cut the bread, the meat, the fruit, and you can harm people with the knife. So it depends on how you use it. Today, we know that YouTube, like many social media platforms, spy on you, and especially on our children, and they infest it with things that they know may attract the children. So if a person makes a mistake by clicking something that is haram, for the next few generations, maybe decades, he'll always find on the side things related to that haram thing he saw only by mistake. Now you can imagine what they do to our children and how they try their level best to brainwash them and to put things related to LGBT, to homosexuality, etc. So it is dangerous. Now dramas, movies, soap operas, Netflix, etc. These things, the vast majority of it is haram because it has women, free mixing. It has awrah, exposure. It is filled with music, with lies, with things that are definitely not related to Islam. So these things are haram. Yes, if you watch Nat Geo, for example, the wild cats, something of nature that has no music, nothing haram in it, this is permissible, inshallah, but this is quite rare.